Hi, Carla here. I want to quickly introduce you to this 2008 fully loaded Ford Edge. Check out the tires. Pretty good tread there. A little bit of the exterior. Have reverse sensors for reversing. It's also equipped with a reverse camera. Parking aid, if you will. Also, we've got a couple scratches here. Nothing major. Just minor scratches. This SUV has 153,960 miles on it. Also, you have features on the steering wheel, cruise control, also radio control, power windows, touchscreen features, also equipped with FM, AM radio, CD player, Sirius satellite radio is available if you want. Dual features when it comes to the heating and air, power sunroof. As I mentioned earlier, it also has parking aid. Check out the back seat of this vehicle. It also comes equipped with 2 headrest monitors for the DVD player. Headphones as well. Not bad, huh? Let's check out the back. Lots of space back here for storage, shopping, Christmas time. You can also charge your phone back here. And also automatically let the seats down. Pretty cool. So if you guys want to inquire about our in-house program or want to see more pictures of this vehicle, please visit our website at flywheelmotors.com or feel free to call us or text us at 662-420-7682. Thanks for watching.